Good afternoon. Today we're going to be doing a start to finish install of the Whitestone Dome glass screen protector for the Pixel 6 Pro. And this just came out last week, and Whitestone Dome was nice enough to send this over for review. They actually sent two, and I bought my own, so stay tuned. We might be doing a giveaway during the review video. But here is all the stuff. This is going to be your UV light. I thought I had one open somewhere, but I can't remember where it went, so we're going to open this one. So you got your UV curing lamp right here, and it's just powered by USB. And then this is a 2-pack, so everything in here is going to be double, so make sure you save save some of the stuff for the second install if you need to put on your second one ever. Let's see, so I'm going to get one of everything out here. And then there is a little removable card, probably to kind of not scrape under it, but lift up under it. Yeah, so you slide that under the phone and it pulls it up so it's easier to get off. This is a back camera protector right here. Take out one of these. Set everything else off to the side here. Alright, and let's get this set up. First things first is we're going to go ahead and put these on the phone, and these are to protect your buttons and openings and stuff like that, ports, all that kind of stuff. So they just peel off like so, and we're going to cover the power button and everything. Make sure you don't overlap it on the screen right here, because then you won't be able to get the screen protector on, or it's going to go over top of that. We do have a microphone on the top. The SIM tray is on this side right here, so you're going to want to cover that one. Alright, just make sure it's covered there so nothing gets in there, and then the bottom, of course. Alright, so that covers the USB-C and microphone, or the speaker grill. Let's see how we set this up. There's the box. Sorry if I'm kind of off camera, I'm trying to just see what I'm doing here. That is what absorbs the excess glue. And this piece right here is what puts the glue on. So does it go? It goes up here. Alright, so it is supposed to be like this. I'll show you why in a minute. Let's see what side. That goes right there. Okay, we're going to clean off our phone. Make sure those aren't overlapping. I want to make sure it's perfectly clean, no dust, no fingerprints, no debris, anything like that. So we're going to get that wiped off, then we're going to put it in here, like so. I'm going to take this off for a second. We're just going to make sure this piece right here covers your earpiece so nothing gets in there. I'm going to wipe it off one more time while it's in here, just so anything you got on the screen putting it in there is cleaned off. And then last but not least, we are going to use our dust sticker. Okay, that looks pretty good. I need to figure out where this goes. Give me one second, I gotta figure out where that goes, because that's what you're gonna pull out to lower the screen protector down. Alright, so there's a little piece right here that I forgot to insert, and it goes in here after you put that earpiece protector on, and then let's see, this slides in. I think it's backwards. Let me see. Alright, there we go. So we're going to do one last dust removal since we had to readjust. Don't see anything. So now we're going to go ahead and put this on here. And we're going to go ahead and put the colored side down. Let that run into the middle of the device. I don't know why it went to... Okay, wasn't in there all the way, but there we go. I'm going to take this, peel the protective material off, insert that, line everything up. We're going to push down just until the glue touches right there. Then go ahead and pull that out. And at this point, don't touch anything, just let it do its thing and spread out. And these are going to absorb all your extra glue that goes over the edges right there. But don't try to align it, don't push on it, don't do anything like that because it's going to mess up the glue. Just give it about 60 seconds, and once you see the glue reach the edges, you can see we've reached the top, we're good there. Going to go ahead and get our white ready. And then we're going to do a 15-second cure. I think we are good. I'm pretty sure it has reached the bottom. So we're going to go up here, going to push the button one time. Alright, then we're going to carefully remove the phone. It's not fully cured yet, so be careful. We're just going to clean everything off here. Just do a quick wipe down. Just to get rid of any excess glue before you cure it the rest of the way. And then we're going to do it twice for 60 seconds. Alright. Should be about done. Yep. There we go. And then you can go ahead and peel off all these. Just gonna stick them right there. If you do get glue that runs over to the phone, just wipe it off with like one of the alcohol pads before you cure it, and it will wipe right off. It's not going to hurt anything. And make sure you do this out of direct sunlight, because the UV light from the sun will start the curing process, and it may do that before you're ready. To get all of them. Yep. There we go. There we go. Perfect installed screen protector. Fingerprint sensor works great on these. Talking from experience, obviously I haven't tried it on this one yet, but you can see there's no cutout here because the whole screen is liquidly adhered to the screen with the liquid glue. So there's no reason to just have that one section. So it is very, very nice looking, and you can't even tell that it is there. So that is the Whitestone Dome Screen Protector for the Pixel 6 Pro. Links down in the description. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Have a great day.